Is everything all right?
Yeah, what's up, my kid?
So what's going on, man? You asked for fun? You're not catching it. What's the problem? Why are you rooted here?
Dry bones. That's all I see.
What do you mean dry bones?
Dry bones. Dry asses. Dry bones.
What you looking at?
Who's she?
Oh,
The lady in red. Who's she? Hey,
Oh.
hey, follow my gaze.
Merida. Nah.
Why are you laughing? What do you say her name is?
Merida.
Oh,
Well, I didn't mean to be disrespectful, my friend, but you see, that girl, I have this hunch that you are going to talk to her. I don't know how.
how do you mean?
Merida is the most sophisticated lady that has ever stepped foot in this club. Top notch. Read my lips. Top notch.
Sophisticated.
Yeah.
Who is she?
Well, music. Okay, who is she? I don't know, but I know she stepped in this club a few months ago. Yeah. And she's different from all the girls I have seen here. Top notch.
I like top notch.
So what do you mean? Merida is a no. That would be a bit difficult. Trust me.
I'll deal with the difficulties.
Hey, for real?
Where's the son?
Is he not in his room? Or anywhere around the palace?
He's nowhere in this palace. Only the gods know where he got to. where he went to at this ungodly hour of the night. And Obieze, who is supposed to give account of his whereabouts, is also nowhere to be found. This suggests that they are both in this together. Obieze. I will have your head on a stake for daring to disobey my instructions. If anything happens to my son...
Father, nothing will happen to him. He came as an adult. And I believe the gods will guide him wherever he is. You need to go to bed now.
Lonely? What will make an awesome beauty? Sit alone in a crowded club.
What was that supposed to mean? A compliment or an insult?
I meant no insult. That was my only two way of asking if you were lonely, alone.
Do you want to be my bodyguard?
More than that, a guardian angel perhaps. What do you say? Oblige me. Let's go back to my table and I'll put your bill for tonight. Everything.
Well, you sound interesting.
I am interesting.
Oh. And your choice of words, they are amazing.
So I'll take that as a yes.
Are you out of your mind, Obieze? I want you and the prince back in this palace before the spittle I spat on the ground dries up. No excuses. This is an order.
Father, where did they say they are?
Well, I must say you are a very interesting gentleman.
Right. Thanks. But this night could be more interesting.
Really?
Really.
You are making me very curious right now. How do you intend to do that?
Free your mind. Let it go. Explore.
Here he goes again. Explore. I love that word. So, is it going to be worth my while? Do you know him?
Oh, yeah. I came with him. 1 minute, please. What is the meaning of this? He just interrupted something.
Hey, lover boy. There's a problem.
What problem?
The king just called. He wants us home now.
The king?
Yeah.
How? I'm not a kid. And why the hell is your phone not switched off?
Hey, come on. I'm meant to on my phone because I'm meant to get a call from home. But then, take a chill pill. I know what to do, right? I'll go back home. Tell him that, yeah, I didn't see you. I mean, I don't know where you are.
Right. You do that, because I have no plans of coming home tonight, alright? I still have some unfinished business. I'll see you in the morning. Run along.
That was fast, though.
Yeah. Run along.
Be careful.
Yes, run along. I will.
May you live long, your highness.
Scout that obsequiousness. For Madioha strikes you dumb.
I'm sorry, your highness. The prince was bored. So he asked me to take him out.
And you did, without permission.
I'm sorry, your highness. That was an oversight.
Call insult to the throne of Gunta. An oversight! Where is Ikem? Where? What sacrilege are you vomiting? You went out with the prince from this palace. Now you're back to the same palace without him.
Yes, your highness. He left before me. I searched everywhere for him.
You searched. Why have you returned without him?
Father, he may be saying the truth. You know your son Ikem. He can be impossible sometimes.
Smart. Out. Out through that door. Come back here. You move. Go back to wherever you kept him. And you don't return to this palace without him. Do I make myself clear? Now come back here. I said, you do not return anywhere around this palace except you are with the prince. Get out! What are you still doing here?
Where is he? Where is my brother? Because I knew you were lying to father. Speak, else I will have no option than to report you to father.
Why not be your brother's keeper and allow this matter to slide, my princess?
Do not patronize me, Obieze. Where is Ikemefuna? Do not force me to return to father, because you know the outcome.
No one exists without little secrets. Secrets that we never wanted shared with people. Especially people that hold us to very high esteem. Why not be a good little girl and allow your brother have a good time to himself? Or do you prefer we go to talk to your father, the king? Go to bed. Good girl. Catch some sleep. I will be right back.
You scared me.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. Just that I couldn't take my eyes off the goddess you have behind you.
Stop. Someone might see us.
I want you in my room tonight. No excuses. When the entire palace must have gone to bed.
I don't think I can.
Else the king will hear of your dirty activities with the princess. So tonight in my room, I will not take no for an answer. Else, your entire life in this palace will be miserable.
Obieze, why are you this wicked? Why can't you let that poor girl be? What has she done to you? You can keep mute or ignore me for all I care. But read my lips. I will not allow you to take advantage of that innocent girl with your cheap blackmail.
You see, I used to think you're wise. But now I know otherwise. Why can't you just allow me have a feel of the goodies she's endowed with by God? Are you this selfish?
Stay away from her. She's not yours.
Is that what you think? No, for real. Is that what you think? Why can't you just be a good girl and allow this slide? Because you cannot stand on the way of a tide. It will surely blow you away. Or do you prefer I talk to your father, the king? I mean, to tell him of the activities the other day with she and your friend.
And who will believe you? It's your word against mine.
Oh my God. Who will believe me? Okay then. Let me show you a little video that might interest you. Who will believe me? There you go. Oh, not so fast, my princess. Not so fast. I would advise you stay cool and allow me to take what is mine. Get up.
Blow, 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 blow. Blow, 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 blow. Blow, 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 blow. Blow, 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 blow.
You devil incarnate. I will surely take my pound of flesh from you someday.
Blood of the king, blood of the king. Blow, 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 blow. Blow, 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 blow. Blood of the king, blow, 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 blow. Blood of the king, blood of.
Is there any other thing we can do for you, my prince?
No. Thanks, you may go.
So, you haven't said anything about your dish. How was the experience?
Merida.
Oh, yes.
She was the bomb. She was. I just wonder where she is now, what she's doing. Yeah.
Well, she was a good lay. Every other thing doesn't matter.
I guess so. You know, in as much as I cherish what we had last night, for some awkward reason, I don't think I want to see her again.
Why?
I don't know. This uneasy feeling about her presence. I can't place it, but something about her doesn't just sit well.
Well, whatever. The video has been done. Life goes on.
Get me a plate of fruit. And be fast about it. Easy. Sorry, my princess.
Hey, sis.
Greetings, my prince.
I can see that someone is still angry with me. Can I sit?
If you feel like. Say whatever you want to say and leave. As you can see, I was busy before you came.
Adoma, I get it. You're angry because I didn't let you in on my whereabouts last night. I'm sorry. I honestly didn't mean to keep you in the dark. I didn't mean it. I wouldn't do it again.
It's not about you.
What is it about?
It's about Obieze.
Obieze? What about Obieze?
Be very careful. It doesn't mean well for you.
She is not happy with you. You have to be careful with her.
Why are you telling me this? I thought she's your lover.
I am not a lesbian. I don't do women. She and her friend forced me into what you saw. I tried to resist, but she threatened to send me away from the palace. I am an orphan, and I cannot stand the thought of being homeless because I cannot return to my father's compound. My uncle has sworn to kill me if he ever sets his eyes on me again.
Listen,
No one is going to send you away from this palace. As long as you promise to remain mine.
I promise.
No, honestly, I just, but I didn't know it was gonna happen like that if you asked me.
Sometime.
Right?
That reminds me of heading to Abuja tomorrow. Evelyn is due for the country this weekend.
Wow. I can't wait to see her. I mean, after a long time.
Are you telling me? It's been a while. I miss her so much.
Oh.
Honestly, I cannot wait for this marriage and coronation to be over.
Right.
So that I can move on to more personal things.
Personal things.
Yeah.
What could be more personal than dedicating yourself to your wife and, trying to be better for your kingdom?
Obi, there are more pressing things than the throne. This throne. I'd like to pursue my career and, living a life that...
Why do you look like you just saw a ghost? Are you shocked to see me?
Merida, what are you doing here? I cannot remember telling you my address, where I'm from, or where I live, or who I am, and how come you're here? How did you find me?
Too many questions. You should be concerned about why I am here and not how I got here. Remember, you're a goldfish, and a goldfish has no hiding place.
So, why are you here? What is that?
Just take it. Open it. Oh, it's no letter bomb.
What is the meaning of this? This has got to be the biggest joke of the century.
Do I look like a joker to you? Didn't you read the letter? Whatever you read there, that's what it is.
And you expect me to believe that, right? Okay, let's say that what you say is true. You're pregnant. It could be anyone's baby.
Prince of Ubuntu Kingdom, I do not sleep around. I am pregnant and it is yours.
I know your type. You want to reap where you did not sow. You want me to raise another man's bastard. Right. Well, newsflash. I am the crown prince of this kingdom. And no one, I mean no one, messes with me and goes scot-free. Try.
You know what? I am not here to banter words with you. I am open for a DNA test So whenever you're ready for one, contact me. My number is on that letter you just threw on the floor.
What happened? What does she want? Is everything all right?
I swear by everything I hold sacred. I wasn't avoiding you. I was only busy with...
Busy, you said. In this palace, that made you not to attend to my needs for some time now. I know it must be him. Obieze. Lips may not be able to say what I will do to you if you continue to stand on my path of happiness. You may leave.
Thank you, my princess.
So this is it. I felt it. I knew there was something coming, but I didn't think it was going to come in this form.
Take a chill pill. I believe she's obviously after money. But then, why didn't you play safe? Why?
I don't know. Obi, I have no idea what came over me that night. I just wanted to be free and have some fun for once. I acted as if I was under some form of enchantment. I don't know. What do we do?
Well, we'll do something, alright? You didn't commit much crime. You got her pregnant, you didn't kill anyone.
You're making it even sound worse.
Who is she? What does she want? The prince looks obviously worried. What could be the content of that envelope that makes the prince look this worried?
We must meet with her tonight. In clear terms, I want to know her stand. But I can bet my life she is in for the money. Trust me.
Money.
Yes, money.
Obieze, I sincerely hope that's all she wants. Money. How did I get myself into this mess?
Hey man, take a chill pill. I got this on lockdown. Don't worry.
Here you are. I have practically searched for you all over the palace. What are you doing here all to yourself?
I just needed to clear my head. Yeah, but I'm fine.
My prince, you are like an open book to me. I am your only sister, and I have known you for years. I know when you are troubled. So tell me, what troubles your spirit? Or is it that lady that came here earlier today?
No. It has nothing to do with her. I just had a little business issue I needed to sort out. But it's sorted now. You have nothing to worry about. I know you care about me. But it's nothing. I have sorted it.
If you say so, just be careful.
Blow, 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 blow. Blow, 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 blow. Blow, 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 blow. Lord the Holy King. Lord the Holy King. Yo. 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 Lord the Holy King. Yo. 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 Lord the Holy King.
It is obvious you don't want to share whatever is bothering you with me. No matter how hard you try to pretend that all is well, I know something is wrong, but you prefer to deal with it with the help of Obieze than me, your sister.
There's nothing bothering me. Nothing I cannot handle. Besides you refer to Obieze as though he is a stranger, forgetting that he is family too. He is our cousin.
Well, if you say so, I just want you to be careful.
I have not seen anything yet.
Are you serious? Thank you, Happiness. This answer very sweet.
Your Highness, I'm sorry to disturb you. The prince is back. Yes, yes, he's back.
Hey. Dad.
Oh, yeah. Come on. Let me look at you. That's beautiful.
Good day, Your Highness.
Ah, yes. Isn't she pretty?
Yeah, absolutely.
Hey, son. Son.
Good to see you again.
Yeah. Welcome back from the journey. Come on.
Thank you. Thank you, Father.
My daughter, they have actually waited for it. I will thank the gods that they have facilitated what is, of course, truth, the kingdom of truth. Huh? Where you are going to be made to be very, very sure that.
Thank you.
Welcome once. Yeah, I am married earlier. My son. Heir apparent to the throne of Ubuntu Kingdom. Donald Ikemefuna. Ikemba. My lovely son.
My prince, you are welcome.
Thank you.
Well, no dull moments now, because it's going to be celebration galore.
Excuse me.
Huh? Yes.
Hey. Is there a problem? You didn't seem to be happy out there. Why did you leave that way?
I don't know, but I'm just fine. I'm feeling feverish.
Oh, I'm sorry. I think you're just probably tired from the trip. I should take you to the room.
Father's mistress. Do you know her before?
No, of course not. Why do you ask?
Nothing. I was only...
It's fine. You're tired, I'm sure. Let's go to your room. Father, I know you to be a careful man. This woman, do you even know her? Where she's from, what she does? She could be dangerous.
Enough! I said, enough. Now I know enough of her to know that she is harmless. Completely harmless. Abalanze the seer confirmed that she is spotless. And who the gods have said yes to, who are you to say no to?
You, Father, it doesn't sound like it's you talking. Father, you have taught me that all that glitters is not gold. I think there's more to that woman that missed the eye.
Kim, why are you pushing this matter this far? Why? Huh? Anyway, let me ask you. Did you know this young woman before now?
I knew her before. Does not matter. Right now, I have this uneasy feeling about her, Father.
Kim, I think you're tired and you need rest, young one. There is nothing wrong with my mistress. Absolutely nothing. Okay? She's a good woman. A good young woman. And I'm sure that with time, you'll get to like her. That I promise you.
that doesn't still explain the fact that you couldn't put a call across to me. My father, our father, took a mistress and you didn't deem it fit to call me.
Come on, you know better than this. I know you had my back. Bearing in mind that you've seen that lady here before.
Now you want to blame me. I thought you said nothing was wrong. I thought you said it was just a little business issues to take care of. So why are you suddenly trying to burst a vein? Seeing her around father?
That still doesn't change anything. It doesn't.
Why should I even bother calling you when I am never even consulted before any decision is taken in this palace? How do I even know if it's not an arrangement, courtesy of you and Obiese? How do I?
Stop sounding ridiculous. Stop it. Yes, I apologize for not letting you in on all this initially, but that's not enough reason for you to do what you did.
I heard voices. Darling, is everything alright?
Absolutely, everything is fine. I was just trying to sort out some things with my sister.
It is okay. I will be waiting in the room.
I'll come over to the room soon. We have a whole lot to gist about.
I can't wait. I have missed your stories a lot.
Sorry. Wow. Babe, you are really running temperature. You need to rest. Okay?
I will be fine. Where did she came from?
Who?
Your father's mistress. Have you met her before?
Why this sudden curiosity, babe? Are you sure you're alright?
I don't think I like her. I have this uneasy feeling about her presence in this palace. The manner which she looked at you. I just think everything is not alright.
Why would you even think that, babe? Why in the world would I know her? I don't know her from anywhere. Why would you think that?
I don't even know what I'm talking.
It's fine, babe. It's okay. You know what? Do not worry your head about it. Okay? I'm sure you're just stressed and jet-lagged. The whole journey is making you stressed. So what you need to do right now is rest. Okay? I'm sure when you wake up in the morning, you'll be alright.
Just be careful, darling. I love and wouldn't want to lose you.
You wouldn't lose me. Alright. Now rest.
Hey, boo. Are you scared to see me?
What do you want from me?
Ikem, why are you so impossible? Take things easy. We are friends, remember? Moreover, our baby gets to feel the warmth of his father.
What are you up to? Listen to me. Whatever plans, whatever gimmicks, whatever scheme you think you have, you see in this palace, It wouldn't work. Take it elsewhere.
You are so stubborn and arrogant. I don't know why you're busting a blood vessel over something you're supposed to be cool and taking advantage of. Just take it easy. Remember, we're family now. You've got no choice. Oh, these arms. I miss them around me. Don't worry, no one is seeing us. I miss your whole body down the depth of my being. See, baby, let's take advantage. Let's create those scenes again. Come on.
Hey. Where you think you are? Where? Merida or whatever you call yourself. This is not a brothel. Hey, wake up. Look around you. This is a palace made for royalty. Now, if you want your stay here to last, you need to comport yourself. Stay away from me.
Yo, 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 bloody king. Yo, 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 bloody king.
My bloody
king.
And baby, don't keep me waiting.
Blow, 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 blow. Blow, 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 blow. Blow down the king. Blow, 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 king. Blow down the king. Blow down the king.
What does she want?
So you knew she was here? What is she doing here?
I just saw her the way you did.
You just saw her the way I did? Obieze, you saw her in the palace and you didn't deem it necessary to put a call through to me. Why didn't you call me?
Come on, just take a chill pill. Don't work yourself up for nothing. Like I said, I just saw her the way you did. I cannot start telling you right there at the airport. Besides, Eve might suspect something fishy.
I can't believe this. What does that good-for-nothing harlot want from me? What does she want from me?
Well, I suggest you talk to the king. Who knows? Maybe you digged it real hard, you know? I'm sorry.
This is just all messed up. I have spoken to my father. I tried to convince him to let her go, but he's hell-bent on keeping her.
Wow. That's a little problem, though.
Johannes! Why are you looking for me?
Yes. I was actually wondering where you entered.
Oh, I went to check on the royal maidens.
Maidens? Come on. You don't need to bother with that. Obieze will do that.
If you say so.
Yes.
You are not supposed to be here.
Where am I supposed to be?
Well...
Yes.
You are supposed to be somewhere close to paradise.
Paradise. And where is paradise?
Well, let me show you where paradise is. Come with me.
Sweetheart, what is it?
Oh God.
What is it now? Talk to me. What is it?
A nightmare.
Oh. Thank goodness it was just a nightmare. You want to talk about it?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Relax. Come. It's okay, right? I'm here with you, baby. Nothing can hurt you or harm you, alright?
Oh, look who we have here. The wife to the crown prince of Ubuntu Kingdom. Morning greetings, my queen.
Good morning, Merida. I did not hear you come.
Though I have the feeling you've been avoiding me.
Avoiding you? Why?
I don't know, but I can feel it. My queen, see, we are the only two female adults in this palace. We should be working together. We shouldn't be walled apart as female. We should,
I am not avoiding anybody. I'm a little bit exhausted after a busy time in the UK. Please, don't count it that way.
No, I understand. I perfectly understand. Oh, it's okay. Where is your husband?
Oh, he went into town. He'll be back soon.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Though I have a feeling he does not approve my presence in this palace.
Oh, my husband? No, don't say that. My husband can be impossible and stubborn, but he does not hate people. He is not with such a heart.
Well, if you say so. See, I have this thing. When someone...
Hi, baby.
Hi.
Are you okay? What are you doing with my wife?
Your wife. Is that supposed to be a joke?
Stay away from my wife. I do not want to see you close to her again. You are here for my father. Stay around him. If I see you anything as close as an inch to her again, you'll be sorry.
Is that a threat?
A threat? Let me see you close to her again, and then we'll find out. Gold digger.
What's up?
What's up? When would you stop frolicking with these girls?
Guess when you stop being so sexy and being pretty, I might think of stopping.
You need help.
I know.
And you will never change.
Come on, man, you are worse than me.
Right.
Of course. You know that, right?
If you have to do this, do it somewhere else. Not here.
This is somewhere else. Not like inside the palace. Oh, really? Okay, since you're giving me holier than thou attitude, maybe I'll go tell your wife of your activities. How about that? Off I go. Your mind skipped. No, I was joking. So you look troubled. What is it?
Hungry. Sweet, what is it? What is it again?
It was so real. I saw you, the king, Anubienze.
It was just a dream, like you said. There's no way we would have been in such acts.
Something is wrong here, but I can't place my hand on it. Get me my Bible.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to startle you.
It's fine. I didn't hear you come. But I'm
That's
okay.
We've really never had time to talk. Are you deliberately avoiding me?
Avoid you? Nah, far from that. You know I'm a very busy person, and besides, you're my father's mistress. And I don't think we have much in common than the former relationship.
You sound very interesting. And I like that. What are you doing out here all alone at this hour of the night? Are you okay?
I guess I was bored. So I decided to come out and feel the breeze and look at the sky. Count the stars.
That actually makes the two of us. I was bored sick after your father slept off. Not like I blame him, the old bones needed to rest. He was fast spent after just one trip. Oh, I'm sorry. Didn't mean to bore you with stories of me and your father. Oh, can I have a stick? Why are you looking at me like that? What do you take me for? A scent? Please.
No, I didn't say that. Just that you're my father's mistress. And I know he's very principled when it comes to women.
You equally sound exciting. I like that. In fact, I want to know more of you.
And I can feel the exciting vibe around you too. So, tell me more about yourself.
What is there to tell? I'm just a poor village orphan from the nearby kingdom who is searching for love and adventure. There you have it.
I see.
So can I have the stick now?
Sure.
We will be good friends. You look good.
You too. You're not looking bad.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Both of you and the rest are in royal service. In the house of royalty. Okay? So, you must treat royalty itself. You must learn royal guilt. You must learn even royal
My bad. Okay. No, you don't get this.
my sweet honey. I hope you've been to see the doctor today.
That's where I'm coming from. And he senses with that.
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Yes.
He asked me to give you this.
Now, what's this?
Well, I am afraid, Your Highness, I cannot tell you that. I really don't have the courage to. So you have to open it yourself.
I am opening it and it's not opening.
Open it, Your Highness.
Yes. The letter.
Mm-hmm.
The letter. Now, this is... You're not serious about this, are you? Are you?
I am.
You are? Oh, gods of our land. What can I do without you? Oh, you've chosen to bless me in my old age. What a miracle. What a miracle. Good to have a child. I'm going to be a father yet again. Eh? Hey, come on. You know? Come on. Let's go inside. This calls for celebration! Hey, come on. Hey, I open the door for you. From now on, you do nothing. Do not say that about my mistress ever again. She's a member of this royal family now.
Like you said, Father, she's only just a mistress. And I do not have anything against her. However, I am not comfortable with her schemes in this palace.
What was that? What did you say? Schemes? Can you explain that?
She's a schemer. How in this world can she be pregnant for you, the king of water? How?
I see. Impudence. So, the gods of Ubuntu cannot bless me even at my old age. Is that what you're insinuating? Ikemefuna, you are my son, but I forbid you or any other person from talking about my mistress in that manner.
I only speak the truth, Father, and not against her. But anyone that is in the way of our peace in this household will not have it likely by me.
Now what do you mean? Who are you? A mere boy whose umbilical cord has not been cut. If the gods of Ubuntu did not want her, they would have revealed it to me. Be careful. Be careful the way you talk to me. This is still my kingdom.
I have been loyal, Father. I have been humble, obedient to you. Do not set this kingdom ablaze before you hand it over to me or anyone else.
Leave my sight now. Now! Merida, please go easy. Huh? I love everything about you. I hate to see you sad.
I love everything about you. I hate to see you sad. What a big joke. Igwe, the only thing you love about me is the fact that I keep your royal bed warm.
No. No, Merida. You mean much more than that to me, and you know it. Merida, you brought joy and happiness to an old man.
Then why do you allow your son to make my stay here miserable? I don't understand why he wants to take away my happiness. Even yours. He does not want you to be happy, can't you see?
What must I do to make you happy? Tell me.
Make me your wife.
I just knew this whole thing was going to end up like this. It's freaking me out.
This is really serious.
I saw this coming.
My father is talking about getting married to her, making her his wife. How? He looked me straight in the face and said, "That's why." On a real, this is really serious. I mean, what does she want? What is she doing here?
Yo, 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 blood of the king. Yo, 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 blood of the king.
Support my desire to be your father's wife. And in return, I will give you that which I know your heart desires. Which is
Father, I have come to see who she truly is. She's very kind, loving and accommodative person with a heart of gold. And I support your desire to make her my stepmother. It will gladden my heart to see her around you.
It's a big relief. A big relief that at least one of my children supports my happiness in this my old age. I don't know why Ikemefuna hates her with such a burning passion. But I'm sure that with time she will turn around and regard her as his stepmother. Yes.
This is ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. You support father marrying a total stranger? Do you know who that lady is? Do you know what she wants from us, what she wants from our family, where she's from? What if father is under some sort of enchantment?
No one is under any enchantment. All I see is a lonely old man who wants a little bit of happiness before he joins his ancestors. Why not allow father and that young lady have their fun? She's not standing on anyone's way. Besides, she's carrying his child, another royal seed.
Oh God. So you believe that? I know what that lady has done to blindfold everyone in this palace, and I don't get it. Wake up, Adoma! Wake up before it's too late!
Blow, 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 blow. Blow, 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 blow. Blow the holy king. Blow the holy king. Yo. Yo.
You're here.
Hey, baby. You done eating?
Yes.
How was it?
It was...
What is it? What is it? What is it? Hey.
Guards! What is this? Get it! Get a car!
Get in it!
Get into the car. Give me a phone. What are you insinuating? That food which was served in this palace,
from which every one of us partook, was poisoned by somebody. Beware of entertaining such dangerous thoughts in your head.
I am not the doctor that confirmed that she was poisoned. Father, I lost my child. Your grandchild. How can I possibly be making these things up? There's something absolutely wrong in this palace, and you know it. So you are accusing me, your father,
the king of Ubuntu kingdom, of complicity in the wild wind that's your head.
I did not accuse you, father. I'm only stating the obvious. Someone in this palace masterminded the entire thing. It wasn't food poisoning. It was poison. I'm sure of it.
Hey, bring my briefcase.
Father, if you will do nothing about it, I will. Someone poisons my wife. In this palace. Under this roof. And you expect me to be calm about it. Since my father made the devil his mistress. Nothing has stayed same. And now, she comes for my wife and I. She decides to take my wife's life. She'll have to go through me first.
Well, I strongly believe you, my prince. There's no smoke without fire. She is the one behind this. I mean, such a thing has never happened in this palace before. Listen. We must unmask her and make the king send her away.
And don't you both think that there is an enemy that we don't know?
You are all aware that Evelyn, the wife of my son here, became heir apparent to the throne of Ugunta Kingdom, was poisoned. Poisoned by the food she ingested in this palace. As spurious as that may sound, I had to go to the hospital to find out for myself. And I want to announce that it is no longer an allegation. The hospital has confirmed that Evelyn was actually poisoned by the food she ate in this palace. What that means is that we have a killer among us here. Subsequently, I had to go to Abalance. Try and find out who the evil killer among us is. The Abalance has shown who the killer is. The person that did the poisoning. He went further to say that that person is not working alone. That the person has accomplices in this palace. That's disturbing news. Isiako, step forward. Quickly! Step forward here before I behead you. Speak before I behead you. Why did you poison Evelyn's food? Why? How did you do it?
I am innocent. I did not do it. You're my king, and I couldn't have concealed such evil thoughts in my heart, let alone allow my hands carry them. Please, please, spare my life, please.
Stop! I can see that you have evil in your heart.
Far away and behead her.
Wait. I know that this is not in my place to ask. Nonetheless, I would ask. It is my wife that was poisoned. But thanks to the gods for sparing her life. Let us not take another man's life or spill blood because of what was done to my wife. That being said, I humbly plea that you banish her instead. And if she is guilty, that the gods judge her. But if she's innocent, let posterity judge us. I beg of you, Father.
Guards, take her away from this place and ensure that she does not set her feet on this kingdom.
Babe, you're tearing me apart. It's okay, can you just stop? Stop crying. Listen. I know this is a very trying time for us, but we need to find strength to move on. Okay? Come here.
God, why me? Why me?
Hey. Enough. The gods know why they allowed this to happen. Alright? It's enough. We still have so much ahead of us. Okay?
Barrister, you're welcome.
Thank you, Your Highness.
I invited you here, as well as members of my family, to make the following announcement. I want my will changed. My will we have to change to accommodate my wife here, who is also the mother-to-be of my child unborn. I will give you details of the will subsequently. That's why I asked you back, and that's why I asked my family to be present.
Okay, Your Highness, I have heard you, and I will be waiting for your information as you promised.
My father has obviously lost his mind. What are you talking about? Rewriting his will without letting me in on it. His first son, the heir to the throne of Ogunda Kingdom. How? No. There's no way that man is my father. No way. He's practically acting like a robot. I don't know what she has given to him, but that is not my father. There's definitely something wrong somewhere.
Honey, I suggest we return back to the States. Maybe after some time, your father will realize that he's making a very big mistake. By then, he will realize that he needs his son around him.
No way. There's no way I'm leaving my kingdom and running to a foreign land. There's no way. This is my land. I will stay here and resolve this.
But you are no longer needed here. Can't you see that your presence has been moved to the background? Your father now listens to his mistress more than you. Is it when you have been reduced to a maid servant that you will understand that you will walk away? Save your face and walk away. Now that you still have a little dignity left in you.
You seem to be very comfortable with all that is happening in this house. Merida has come to steal the joy we have shared for years now. Our bond, our happiness. Someone who is here for our own selfish desires, a gold digger.
This is a modern age. You do not expect me to be at war with everyone. Just because my brother doesn't like them. Why do you want to create a war where there is none? Or are you greater in wisdom than father? Or more spiritually deep than Agbalanze, the seer, who finds her worthy to be around the palace? Prince Ikemefuna, Donald Ikemba, do not stand in the way of the gods.
Ikem, who is it? Ikem, it's me. There's a problem, I need to speak with you. What is it?
The king.
Don't know. Your father, the king.
Yes.
He just slumped.
Have you called Dr. Smith?
Oh, yes. She's on her way.
What did you do to my father? What?
She did nothing to father. She said he just slipped and slumped on the ground.
I don't believe that.
Maybe he tripped or something.
I don't believe that. Don't touch him. I don't believe that. How long is it going to take her to get here? Now, can you call her again and know where she is?
I've called her. I believe she should be close.
I said, don't touch him.
He has a sore on his head, obviously due to the fall. I cannot ascertain the level of damages done until he's stable. Then we can run a scan on him.
Blow, 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 blow.
Hmm.
Blow, 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 blow. Lord of the King. Lord of the King.
Thank you very much, Doctor. I appreciate it. What could have made him slow? Father, for a long time now, has not complained about any form of ailment at all. How come all this is happening now?
Honestly, Kim, I'm as confused as you are. I mean, I can't just understand what is going on. I suspect there is an evil aura around your father's mistress. No, come to think of it, since she came in this palace, there's been negativities. There's been a bad vibe. There's been so much going on. Think of it.
We need to be very careful. We need to be very careful. We cannot trust anyone in this palace, not even the guards.
Sure.
I have a strong feeling that someone is after my father's life. I cannot place it, but I know it. We cannot trust anyone. Not the guards, not the maidens. Please, I really need you to keep watch over my father.
Hey, come on.
I beg you.
You don't need to beg me. He's also my uncle. That's not a problem.
Thank you. If you get tired, I'll come and take over later at night.
It's cool. Let me go watch over him. Go sleep.
His recovery rate is quite slow. But I'm certain that he would snap out of it and regain consciousness. Did he in any way complain about any form of body weakness before this happened?
No, he didn't. Why do you ask?
Can I see you privately?
Sure.
Your Highness, there are high dosage of tramadol and other painkillers in his bloodstream. Surprisingly, your father that I know does not ascribe to self-medication, and continuous usage of these drugs could be detrimental to his health. Who knows? There might be someone somewhere administering these drugs to him to kill him slowly.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Your Highness.
What are you doing? So it's been you all along. It's been you. I will kill you with my face.
Your hands off him, or I will blow her skull into pieces.
Wait a minute. What is going on here? So both of you are in this together. Obieze, what did we ever do to you? What? My father took you in when your father passed, and he has treated you nothing less than a son. Nothing less than a son. He has given you all the privileges. This man has loved you and given you...
Oh, cut me that bullshit! What do you know about love? I'm asking you, what do you and your father know about love? When he killed my father with his occultism, you talk about love?
What the hell are you talking about?
Oh yes. Your father killed my father, his elder brother. If not, why did he die the next day after returning from the city, where he went to inform your father about his upcoming coronation as the next king of Ubuntu? Why? Your father killed my father, knowing that he will be the next in line when he dies. From that day, I vow to pay your father back for his wickedness. The throne he enjoys today is mine. And I'm here to take what rightfully belongs to me.
I know nothing about what you're talking about. I swear on my mother's grave, my father did not kill your father. He loved him. He loved your father. Remember how we used to be, Obieze. Remember how we used to be. How he
oh, cut me that salmon, muggo. I'm here to take what rightfully belongs to me. I'm here to end this.
Hey, take the throne. Take anything you want. Spare my father. Spare my wife's life. Spare her life. Please, you can have it all.
Why are we even wasting time with this loser? Let's end this charade.
The hell out of me! You're like mad on me to do this.
Alright, well, not so fast. You're under arrest for murder and attempted murder. I didn't kill anyone. I didn't kill anyone. I don't know what you're talking about. I did not kill anyone.
You'll soon find out who you killed.
Isiako.
He took me to an Indian temple where we obtained some charms, which I used on the king to make him fall in love with me. Our plan was to take over everything. When the king requested that his will be rewritten, we took advantage of that to influence the will that it may favor me and Obieze, which we forced the lawyer to do at gunpoint. He had no choice.
Do you have any other thing to tell me?
What could be the reason for Adelma's arrest? Yesterday it was Obieze and Merida. Now it's Adelma. Hope we are still safe in this palace.
My dear, I'm really scared. Because with the way things are going in this palace, they might come and arrest us one day. I'm thinking of going back to my maternal home.
It hasn't got it to that extent. Eh?
Look at them. Gossipers.
I am sorry, son, for not being there when you needed me most. Forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive your father. You know, the world is really, really evil. And we must all know that. I should have resisted that evil woman, resisted whatever power she came with. But I failed. Son, I failed. Isako, you saved my life. You saved my life, not minding that once I passed a death sentence on you, our gods will continue to protect you. See.
It is my pleasure to serve you till death, Your Highness.
Indeed, this household has been under a lot of pressure. I myself have had my own share of the pressure. But in all of this, I have become stronger. It's good. And indeed, I can beat my chest to say that I'll be able to withhold the pressure of the truth.
Oh yes. Son, you have indeed demonstrated that. You know, the events of the recent past have assured me that you are well able to grapple the affairs of the throne when I am gone. Yes, I am enormously proud of you. You know, you are the first seed of my loins. No fear.
Not at all.
Oh, this world is really evil. Evil. We must all be strong to resist the devil and his cohorts. Who would have thought that that evil woman wasn't pregnant after all? Oh, she had me. She had me deceived completely. I was taken in. Son.
Father.
You must avoid those mistakes I made.
You have taught me well, Father.
Lord Holy King, Lord Holy King, yo, 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 Lord Holy King, yo, 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 Lord Holy King, Lord Holy King. Blow, 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 blow. Lord Holy King, blow, 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 King. Lord Holy King, Lord Holy King. Blow, 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 blow. Blow, 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 blow. Blow, 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 blow. Blow, 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 blow. Lord Holy King, Lord Holy King. Yo, 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 yo.